Hello guys, welcome back to today's video. In this video you'll be seeing how to this lovely and amazing nail design polish. Guys, this nail design is very beautiful. Look at this, it's so stunning. The design is top notch, 10 over 10 minus nothing. Guys, stay tuned and watch this video to the end because we have a lot of amazing nails tutorial, guys, how to make the nails and the one they have already fixed, guys, the already nail fixed on. Stay tuned and watch this video to the end. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, share this video, like, turn on your notification bell. Guys, if today is the first time you're seeing my video, you're highly welcome to the Fashion Inspiration. In here we share with you a very fashionable outfit, latest trending fashion styles, hairstyles and nail design inspiration. Guys, for all my return subscribers, thank you so much once again for always tuning into my video. I really appreciate all you do, guys. You guys are winning a million. Please watch this because we have a lot of amazing and nail tutorial in this video. You can see this one is so beautiful. The style, the everything is so gorgeous. Okay, stand up, go and make that your nails. Go and get your nails done, guys. It will make you look so beautiful, so outstanding and so elegant. Guys, please don't forget to share this video, share to your friends. Look at this one, the design and everything is so top notch. Guys, please don't skip the advert, it's so important. Watch the video to the end, share, like, comment and subscribe for more.